Hello, welcome back to my tutorial of COVID-19 theme template PowerPoint presentation. You have to insert an image of a woman wearing a mask, and then you have to insert an image of you have to insert a square, and you have to insert a text box, and you have to change its color, font, and other stuff, and the size of the text. Now rotate it as you have rotated the rectangle, and you have to select both the rectangle and the text, and then you have to group them. Now paste it, change the text and change the colors and the degree of rotation. You have to change the degree of rotation as well. That's it. Now you're gonna group this and you're gonna paste it again. And you have to change its color, font, and um, size. And you have also to change the text of the you know what, that square, that text in that square. So right now we're conveying a really important message to people. So we're gonna use radiant colors so that it looks mainly pointed, like it is highlighted. Now we're gonna select the three of the rectangles, and then we're gonna group them. And you have to add the same emoji of of coronavirus in the background. Now what we have to do, that we have to go to design, form background and solid color, and we're gonna change its background color to gray so that it looks radiant. And we're gonna write precaution in this text box, and we're gonna change its font and increase its size and change its color and move it towards the back of the squares. So this is it. These are all our slides. So this is gonna be our last slide. We're gonna insert the image, and we're gonna cut it, go to design, and format background, and picture or texture fill, and clipboard, and that's the image. We're gonna insert a rectangle which covers the entire slide, and now remove its outline and change its color to purple, dark purple, and right click on it, go to format shape, and then transparency, increase its transparency, and add the text box and write the text in it, bold it, change its font, change its color, changes you know um, design, and you have to increase its size according to your preference. So again, I'm gonna tell you that this is the last part of our um, presentation, that is COVID-19 themed templates. And I'm gonna say again that you can download this template for free in my description, from the link in my description. But be sure to subscribe my channel and like the video for more theme templates like these, and that you can freely download as well.